one. So the first case, line parallel to one or both the planes. So the pictorial views are given. So it can be easily understood just by observing this. So you can see here AB. This is the straight line, right? So this straight line AB is parallel to which plane? This is HP. This is horizontal plane, and this is vertical plane, right? You just tell me, please. Cooperate. AB is parallel to which plane?
HP.
Horizontal plane.
HP. Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane.
Right.
Horizontal.
So it is common sense. You can say if you observe AB from top, right, and if you observe the straight line AB from the front, basic difference you will feel. You already know the principle of orthographic projection, right? This is a very fundamental question I am asking, right? You will stand here and see to the straight line B, and you will come here and see the straight line from the top. Just tell me what difference you will feel.
In top view, we can see the inclination of the line, and in front view, it would appear as a straight line only.
Okay, one thing you have told correctly, it is about inclination. It is correct, right? Then anything else?
Sir, in top view, the length will be same, and in the front view, the length will shorten.
Exactly. What is your name? Please tell me.
Pratyush Kurai, sir.
Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
Pratyush. Very good. When you are standing or when you are seeing from the front, you will see a reduced length, right? And when you will see from the top, you will see the exact length, right? From top, you can observe exact length, and from front, you will see a reduced length, right? So, since you know the inclination, right, and from top you are seeing the exact length because the straight line is parallel to the HP, right? So, which view you would like to draw first? View or the front view? Tell me. Use your common sense and tell.
Front view.
You will draw the front view. So how much reduced you don't know. How can you draw the front view? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. You will draw the top view first.
Exactly. You will draw
Top
the
view
top
because
view.
we have exact length.
Yes. You know the exact length and you know the inclination. So you will draw the top view first. And from top view, you will adopt the principle of orthographic projection to have the front view. Right? So this is what done here, you see. this straight line AB, say having length L is equal to say 100 millimeter, right? So you know the convention that top view is given with name small letters like that, and front view A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and so on, right? So the top view is drawn first since it is parallel to the horizontal plane. This is horizontal plane, right? And this is projected. Okay, this is projected here to draw the front view. Right? So in this case, the straight line is in the HP, right? That's why the front view is coming on the reference line XY. This is XY. This is lying on HP. The straight line is lying on HP, right? Similarly, the CD, the straight line CD, this straight line is lying in the BP. This is lying in the BP, right? When it is lying in the BP, it is obvious that it will be parallel to BP. Yes or no? So in this case, in the second case, you observe, since it is parallel to vertical plane, right? So when you are standing here from the front, you are seeing the exact length, right? So you are drawing the front view, C dash, D dash. This is the front view, right? So inclination is known, and you will drop a projector from C dash and D dash upon the reference line, and you are getting the top view, CD. So this is your front view or elevation, and this is your top view, which is plan. Okay, so now you observe EF, straight line EF, and tell me what is its position, where it is.
On the reference line.
On the reference line.
Exactly, it is on the reference axis, not it is lying in both the reference planes. It is lying in both the reference planes. That means it is lying at the intersection. Or more accurately, you can say, or more precisely, you can say it is lying on the reference axis. Okay, so its front and top view will give the exact length, right? So there is no distinct positions of top and front, or they are overlapping each other, right? So front view E dash F dash, top view F. So I think this part is clear. If you have any doubt, please tell. I will try my best to make it more clear. Otherwise, I will shift to the next. So is it clear, the first part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is the second part. First part, I have left line parallel to one or both the planes. This one. In the first case, tell about AB. This is parallel to which plane?
Vertical plane.
Horizontal plane.
AB, this
Horizontal
one.
plane. Horizontal
Yes,
plane.
parallel to horizontal plane. CD, parallel to,
Vertical plane.
Vertical plane.
and
Yes,
EF,
vertical.
Both
Plane.
planes.
yes, both the planes. Right. So here AB is parallel to horizontal plane. So you will see the exact length when you will project it upon the horizontal plane. Right. So that means when you will draw the top, you will see the exact length. Right. So top view is drawn first. This is first. Right. And from top view, this end is projected. This is one projector. This is another projector, and they are joined. Right? You may be asking that how to know this distance. This may be given, right? So the position of point E must be mentioned with respect to the reference planes, right? And HP, the position of A must be prescribed. Okay. With the similar manner, for the second case, CD, you can draw the front view here. Since it is parallel to vertical plane, right? And draw projector, and you will get the top view. The third one is this one. You can start with top view or you can start with front view. No issue, since in both the views you will get the exact length. In this case, right? But here, this is first, this is second. Here, this is first, this is second. So, first cases I have discussed. Let us come to the third one. Line perpendicular to one of the planes. Now you observe the straight line AB. This is the straight line AB. What is its position? This is perpendicular to which plane?
Horizontal
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane. Right. Right. So when you will draw the front view, or when you will come here to see it from the front, say you will stand here and observe in this direction. What you will see? You will see the exact length. And it will be your front view. And when you will come here, downward, what you will see?
It's a point.
Point or
Only
dot.
a point that is A.
Top view.
Yes. So this is what done here. This is your front view, A dash, B dash, and it is projected over here to get a point which is the top view. You are seeing from here. Exactly with the same manner, you tell me What is the position of CD?
Perpendicular to the vertical plane.
Yes.
Parallel to
So,
horizontal.
yes. So when you will observe it from here, what you will see?
Point D.
Dot or
From
point.
you will
Point
see
D.
a point only. So that is what it is done here. And will come here. When you will observe, you will see this straight line,
Exact length.
Exact length
CD.
only.
Yes.
So
So
shouldn't that
now,
be A comma B?
please repeat what you were asking.
Sir, in the below part, the horizontal plane plot in the projection, we have written point A. Shouldn't it be A comma B?
Actually, to avoid, the point A and D both are lying here. A dash. Here it is written D, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
One
I was
minute.
talking about the previous one, AB.
Okay, you are talking about this
Not
one.
that.
A dash, B dash. So you are saying this should be A and B. You are right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. To avoid confusion, right? It is only showing what you are observing. Right. So when you are seeing from the top, you will observe this one. Can you observe this one? It will not be
No.
visible.
No, sir.
Yes.
To
Only
avoid
point.
that part only, it is showing A.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Right. But in practice, actually, here lying both the points A and B. Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just tell me what we have drawn here. We have added which angle of projection? First or third?
First.
First
First
angle.
angle projection. Right. So, above XY front view and below XY top view. Right. But we can draw it also in third angle. It is shown here by using third angle projection, just by altering the relative position of front and top view. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The relative position is just changing. D dash is coming here, CD is coming here.
Sir, please explain once again this concept.
Okay, let me erase then. I think this part is clear. This part is clear, right? So you see, this is front view. This is top view. And this is your reference axis. And this is all about the first angle projection, right? So when you will change the angle of projection, that means you will shift the straight line to the third quadrant. What you will see, the projections will remain same, only their position, the relative position with respect to x, y will alter, right? So the front view here is coming below xy, and the top view
Planes will
here,
change.
yes, the top view here is coming above xy. Right? So only there is a relative change in position of the views, but the views will remain same. Only they will experience a change in their position with respect to xy. when you are changing the angle of projection from first to third. Okay. Then come to the third, next category. Straight line inclined to one plane, and parallel to the other. The pictorial view is PQ. Sorry, this one. PQ1. PQ1 is the straight line in pictorial view. Now you tell me, straight line PQ is inclined to which plane and parallel to which plane?
Parallel to vertical.
Inclined to
Parallel to
horizontal and
vertical.
parallel to vertical.
Yes, it is parallel to vertical plane and say inclined to horizontal plane, right? So how you will draw its projections? The projections is shown here, but just by seeing this, you cannot understand anything. So let us do it systematically. Draw the reference line here. Assume that PQ, PQ1 is parallel to both vertical plane as well as horizontal plane. So if this is parallel to both vertical and horizontal plane, then what length you will see from front and top?
Exact length.
You will see the exact length from front as well as
Yes, sir.
top.
Top.
In front view and
Yes,
top
sir.
view, you will see the exact length when it is parallel to both
Yes.
the planes. Okay. So what you will do now? Draw the front view. Right? So front view, what you give to the front view? P dash. Q dash. This is the convention. And draw projector from here to draw the top view, which is P, Q. This is the front and top view under the assumption PQ dash, sorry, PQ1, not dash, PQ1 is parallel to both horizontal and vertical plane. But in reality, is it equal to both the planes? Answer is no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is inclined to which plane?
Horizontal
Horizontal.
plane.
Horizontal plane. So it is inclined PQ1 is inclined by say 30 degree, with horizontal plane. Now you do one thing, make 30 degree here, or take this as center, this as a radius, P dash Q dash as a radius, and make an angle 30 degree. Right? So this point is Q and Q1 dash. Now draw a projection from Q and dash now P dash Q and dash becomes the true front view, and P Q1 is the actual top view. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Should I repeat it once again? Okay, let us repeat. So here PQ1 straight line is inclined by an angle say 45 degree with HP and parallel to vertical plane. So how to draw it? Draw the reference line. Assume that PQ1 is parallel to both HP and BP. So that assumption you can draw P Q P dash Q dash as the front view. This will be small and rough. This will be P Q, the top view. Right? How much angle it is making? With horizontal 45. So you can make an angle 45 and extend this line, or you can make an arc here. So this becomes the actual front view, which is Q1 dash. and drop a projector from here. This becomes the top view. So this is your top view, which is PQ1, and this is your front view. And how much length is reduced? This length is this is reduced. Now observe this case. Straight line RS1. This is parallel to which plane and inclined to which plane? RS1?
Parallel to horizontal.
Parallel to
Parallel to
horizontal,
horizontal.
inclined to vertical.
Vertical to.
Yes. So the exact method is applied here. First, you have to assume the straight line is parallel to both the planes. So this is drawn. This is drawn. First, either you can draw this first or you can draw this first. No issue. If you are drawing this first, project it and draw this one. Or if you are drawing this first, project it and draw it first. Second. It's making an angle theta with vertical plane. So make an angle theta here, right? And draw an arc with angle theta and join it. This becomes your top view and project it upon the previous front view. And this becomes your actual front view. Okay? So the last case, straight line inclined to both the planes. So if I show you here, you will only be confused, right? I will make you understand very systematically. So after I finish my explanation, if you go through this text, then you can understand, right? So I will not refer this one first. Am I audible? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when the straight line is inclined to both the planes, so I will split this problem into two parts. First, there are two planes, vertical plane and horizontal plane, right? Suppose this straight line is making 30 degree with vertical plane and say 45 degree with horizontal plane, right? So how to draw it? I will consider this part first. It is making 30 degree with vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. And here it is making 45 degree with horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, right? So I will draw this one, then I will draw this one first, then I will draw this one, and I will merge them. When I will merge them, you will see this part will be eliminated. This assumption part will be eliminated. This will also be eliminated. This will also be eliminated, and I will get the original conditions. Right? This is the philosophy in a broad sense. Right? So let us take an example so that it will be easy for me, also easy for you to understand. A straight line AB is 70 millimeter long. It is in first quadrant. Point A is 30 millimeter in front of vertical plane and 40 millimeter above the horizontal plane. It is making an angle 45 degree with HP and 30 degree with BP. Have you noted down the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first let me clear that have you got this philosophy what I have explained in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will focus only this part to solve this problem, nothing else. You just note down these parameters that AB is 70, A is 30 above in front of VP, and 40 millimeter above HP, right? So these values you may note down and tell me when I'm asking. It is making 45 degree with HP and 30 degree with VP, right? These data are required. So draw the reference line. So you know the point projection, right? So
Yes,
using
sir.
the point projection, you draw the projection of point A. The location of point A is described, just tell me, with respect to horizontal and vertical plane.
30 millimeter in front of VP and 40 millimeter above HP.
Very good. So using those data, you can draw the front and top view of A. So this is front view, this is top view. How much this is? 30. How much this is? 40. Am I right? Or alteration is there?
Yes, sir.
Alteration is there.
So alteration.
Alteration, na?
So
Yes.
the upper one will be 40
Upper
and
one.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 40, 30. It is correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then repeat the same thing here. It is. Yeah. So I will, why I am repeating, because in the first part, I am splitting the problem into two parts. That's why I am doing the same thing twice. So the first condition is, it is making how much angle with vertical plane?
30 degree.
30 degrees.
30 degree.
30 degree.
With what? Okay, with horizontal?
45.
45.
45.
45 degree. So just do one thing. Draw a straight line here. So the straight line is making 45 degree with horizontal plane. Is it?
Yes, sir. HP with horizontal
Okay.
plane.
So draw 45 degree angle and draw a straight line. How much? What is the length of the straight line?
70.
70 or 80?
70.
70.
70. This is 45. Right? Now, another straight line here. Okay. Now, the same straight line is making angle. How much angle with the vertical plane?
30 degree.
30.
30 degree. So, come to this side, draw an angle 30 degree. Here to here it is 70, right? Say this is B and draw a straight line through it. Have you completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, from A dash, draw projector up to this, right? Say this point is B. Now, take A as the center and AB as the radius. Then make an arc here, taking this as center and this as radius, draw an arc, which is cutting here. Okay, so join this point with this point. Say this is B2 and from B2 draw another projector upon here. Say this is B2 dash and join A dash B2 dash. Right? Here A dash B2 dash is the actual front view and B2 is the actual top view. Right? And repeat the process on this side. Draw projector from here to here. Say this is B1 dash. Take this as center and this as radius. Draw an arc here, which will cut it here. Say this is B2 dash, and now join this. A dash B2 dash is the front view, and drop a projector from here to here. This becomes B2 and join it. Here A B2 is the top view, right? So if you want to measure its accuracy, you have to look into this angle. How much angle this is making? Say this is alpha and say this is beta. Now tell me how much this angle will be?
Beta.
This will be same alpha. This will be same beta. Is it becoming more complicated?
Sir, it will be better if you summarize all the
Yes,
steps
sir.
once
If
again.
you once please summarize all the steps again, then it would be better.
Okay, I'll repeat it. Also, next week I will teach you a compact method. Okay, so in which only in one figure you can write. Okay, I'm summarizing once again. First, you are drawing the reference line. Okay, so my philosophy was to divide the problem into two easier ones, right? So in the first part, I assumed that straight line AB is parallel to which plane? It is
VP.
parallel to BP and inclined by 45 degree to which plane?
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane. This is what I have drawn in this part. You see here, forget about the part. I have first drawn the projection of points. Point A, which is already given, its position in front of BP, how much, right? And FP, how much it is mentioned. Using those data, I have drawn A dash and A. Right? Since it is parallel to vertical plane and making 45 degree with horizontal plane, I can draw which color? I can draw 45 degree here and extend this line and cut it here by taking a length of 70. Right? Then I have drawn a parallel line. I have drawn a parallel line through point B dash. Parallel to which? Parallel to the reference line. Right? I have drawn this line after getting B dash. Okay? Then
Yes, sir.
I have shifted to the right part. I have shifted to this part. So what I have assumed here? Line AB is parallel to which plane?
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane, and making an angle 30 degree with vertical plane. Right? So I have made how much angle? 30 degree here, and extend this line, cut it here, taking a length of 70. After getting this point B, I have drawn a parallel line here. Parallel line with XY. Right? So by doing this, I have completed the assumption part. This part I have just used. This part I have just used here, and this part I have just used here. Right? Then I have drawn this line. Earlier I have drawn this one. Right? Then I have drawn a projection from here to here, taking this as center, this as a radius. I have made an arc. Then from here I have drawn projection. Right? By joining this, I am getting the actual top view, and joining this, I am getting the actual front view. And same thing I am repeating here. Right? So to see the accuracy, how accurately you are finishing this job, you can measure this alpha, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. The significance of this alpha is, this is the apparent angle. Right? Actually, this is making how much angle? With vertical, 45 degree. With vertical, sorry, with horizontal, it is making 45 degree. But what about this alpha? Is it more than 45 or less than 45? More than 45. That means your eye will see that the angle made, the angle of inclination of AB with horizontal is more than 45 degree. It's not 45 degree. How much more? That you come to know once you measure alpha. Similarly, what is the significance of beta here? In same way, you can analyze beta. You can see here, beta also you will see greater than 30 degree. Actual inclination is 30, but the angle visible to you, the apparent angle to your eye, is more than 30 degree. Okay, so I hope I have completed. Still, I am not sure whether you have understood it or not, but once you will read that part, you can get it now. All these things are in my mind, so very easily I am making you explain, right? But I'm not very sure that you have grasped 100%. Since some visualization parts are there, it is not so easy to visualize quickly. If you were in classroom, it would be better, right? But still, I hope you are all good students, right? You will try your best to capture it. Okay, so now I will move to the compact method. How can you draw it in a single figure? Just a minute. So how much this part? 30 or 40? Am I right?
40.
Sir, inverted it you inverted it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The
40,
upper one
30.
should be a 40 and then lower.
Sir, the other way round.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you got A dash A, then draw parallel lines. Through A and through A dash. Okay. Now, how much angle it makes with horizontal? It makes
45.
45, na?
45 degree.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then draw 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This point is B dash. This is 70. Now draw a parallel line here. Right? Now it makes how much angle with vertical? With
30
vertical
degree.
plane it is making
30.
30 degree.
30 degree.
Okay. So draw 30 degree and extend this line taking a length of 70. And this is say D1. Right? Then draw a parallel line. Now what you will do? drop a projector from here to here. Say this is B. Take A is the center. Take A as center, AB as radius. Make an arc here, which will cut at B2. Okay. Now, when AB2, right? So here AB2 is your top view. Then drop projector from B1 upon this straight line here. Take A dash as center. This, say this point is B1 dash. Take A dash as center. A dash B1 dash as radius. Make an arc over here, which will cut here, and join this point, B2 dash. Say, now you can say how much this angle is? Alpha. This angle is beta. Here A dash B2 dash is the or front view, and AB2 is the plan or top view. This is front view. Right? So this is a compact method. But the philosophy is the same. So now it is time to give you problems. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Draw the projections. Please note down these problems and solve it on sheet number 3. One thing I must clarify here, measure the accuracy. What does it mean? You can see on this part. You have to measure this length. You have to measure this length, this length, this one, beta, alpha here, beta and alpha here. They need not to be very same. There may be some minor difference. Whatever difference you are finding, okay, you must write that. Yes, also you repeat the same problem number 4. You do in this method and also in this method, and here also you how much alpha you are getting, beta you are getting, what is this length, everything you measure.
Sir, in all the questions we have to do in both methods or only 4
And we
will
have
do?
No,
to do the last
no,
question
no.
in both methods.
Yes, only the last one.
Okay.
Sir, all the question will be in same sheet or can we use different sheets?
No, in only one sheet you will finish everything. It's possible, right? Leave more space for question number 4.
Okay.
So what will the deadline?
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, due date for submitting.
Deadline,
Okay.
sir.
Be honest and tell last time you need. Make a honest confession. How much time you need? I will give you that time. Nothing less, nothing more.
Sir, I think next Monday.
Yes, sir, next Monday.
That means you need 8 days. Is it honest?
Sir, up to Wednesday you can give.
At least
Today
4
is
days.
Monday.
Sir, 4-5 days.
Sir, up to Wednesday.
Up to Wednesday it will be okay, sir.
Wednesday means today is Monday. Tuesday,
No, sir, in
Wednesday.
between we
That
have
means 48 hours you need.
No, sir.
Then
Some more by next week.
Yes, sir, by next.
don't tell next week.
Yes,
Next week is
yes,
impossible. Okay. You are not
Sir,
honestly.
last time you gave 1 day, so this time you can increase up to 2 days, up to Wednesday it will be.
Okay. I am giving you 3 days, right? I am giving you 3 days. That means tomorrow leave day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. By Thursday night you submit. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or this will not be enough for you? Thursday,
at
I think it
least
will be
we
more
need
than enough.
up to Saturday, sir. So in between we have many more assignments to do. That's why we are asking that much time.
Yes, sir.
Sir, currently,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
sir, currently,
You tell.
yes, sir. So currently,
Currently?
sir,
currently orientation of clubs are also going on. So our complete day is packed up. So at least keep it on Saturday so that we get a complete day without classes to do the assignment.
Okay. I will give you time up to Saturday, right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Have you noted down this problem?
okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir,
we
no
should
problem.
stop it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who have not noted down, please note down. And one more line is here. Measure the accuracy, which is more important actually. I'm writing that part here, measure the accuracy.
Sir, accuracy means we have to measure the differences.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
You note down their absolute values, right? Alpha, beta, and the length of front and top view in each case, right? And if you are getting some error, you must mention below. Actually, in practice, if you if you'll be honest, some error definitely lie there, right? Because human error, machining error, some external disturbances must be present there, right? Which will contribute towards error, right? So ideally or practically, but some errors are expected. So I hope you'll be honest in mentioning how much error you are getting.
Yes, yes, sir.
call to message मते डाके मु तो सांगे से
Yes, sir.
पळे देख आसली कि नहीं मो क्लास भी चलते देख 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 व्हाट्सएप खुली भी ना तोर एक ग्रुप रे 89 एटा सब पढिया को पड़े 10 एते मधुर सीन भी करनी कॉल किए गोटे कछ माने अटेंडेंस पड़ला
I have forgotten to take your attendance. Okay.
ऑडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you need attendance or? Okay. I will take your attendance. Just wait 2 seconds. अच्छा पेन अच्छा. Please respond your role. No? Role 1,
Abhishek Gupta present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3, 4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
प्रेजेंट सर
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir. 15.
16, 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
Sir,
20.
sir, ID number 16, sir. Present.
Okay.
ID number 16.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
प्रेजेंट सर
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30, 31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49, 50, 51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Sneha Mandal, present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60, 61,
Present, sir.
62,
61 present, sir.
62, yes, 61 present, 62, 63,
Present, sir.
64,
Yes, sir. Present.
65,
Present, sir.
66,
Present, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
68,
Present, sir.
69,
Vivek Mishra, present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
70 is the last, no? Or 73 is the last?
So 70.
Okay. Okay, one thing you must remember that do the seats maintain your seat because I think after 1 or 1.5 months you will again come offline, right? And I will take your physical seats for evaluation.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Even
sir.
though you are
Yes, sir.
submitting the soft copy, but once it will be offline, I will evaluate on your physical seats. So maintain it and keep it intact. Don't tell at that time that I have lost. Okay. So keep it carefully. Okay, thank you all. Let us stop it here. Meet you in the coming
Thank you,
week.
sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.